Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone. My name is Nabila Kirania Putri. I wake up at 4 a.m. and then I go to the toilet to take a bath. And see you. In campus, I have so many exercise because I am active and internal and external organization. But in this week, I'm so confused because this week is very hectic, guys. Look! Oh my god! Still so confused. She's so tired. Sometimes I feel exhausted and burned out because of the pressure of leaving early in the morning and come home late at night. And that's my daily activity for a day. Thank you everyone.